Hello students, welcome to the class 2nd EVS class, chapter number 2, our houses. In my previous class, I have taught you about your 3 basic needs, that is food, clothes and shelter. Food to eat, clothes to wear and house to live in. These are our basic needs. Without these basic needs, we are not able to survive well. Why do we need a house? We need a house to protect us from heat, cold, rain and winds, and it also saves us from thieves and wild animals. It is also called a shelter. There are 2 kinds of houses, a kacha house and a pakka house. A kacha house is that house which is made up of wood, straw, mud and stone. These are kacha houses, or we can call even it a temporary house. These houses can be break easily, and we can see such kinds of houses mostly in the village area. Now this was all about your first class, your last class. Now we will move to your next topic, that is what is permanent house. Our houses are now made using cement, wood, steel and stone. These houses are called pakka houses or a permanent houses. These houses do not break easily. Houses which are made up of using things like cement, wood, steel and stone. These types of houses are called pakka houses or a permanent houses. So our permanent house or a pakka house is made up of cement, wood, steel and stone, and it cannot be broke easily. It is the house which do not break easily, so it is called a permanent house or a pakka house. There are many different types of houses which are pakka houses, but it varies in texture and it is needed according to the areas. This is a pakka house with a sloping roof. We can see such kinds of houses in those places which get heavy rainfalls and snowfalls. You can see the house, its roof is sloping in nature. This is also a pakka house, but its roof is sloping. We can see such kinds of houses only at the places where the people get heavy rainfalls and snowfalls. Due to these sloping roofs, snowfalls and rainfalls fall down, and it is only preferred in the rainfall and snowfall areas. This is also a pakka house with a flat roof. This is a flat roof house. Here in these kinds of houses, it is called palace or a castle. In this kind of house, kings and queens live in. This is a place, it is a very big house with many rooms and gardens all around. Kings live in palaces and castles. This is a palace or a castle, we can say. In these types of houses, kings or queens live in. These types of houses have many kinds of rooms and a garden all around. I hope students you have understood these 3 kinds of houses which I have told you today. Please read the chapter again, revise it, learn what is your 3 basic needs, why do we need a house, what is kacha house, what is pakka house, what are 2 different kinds of houses which I have told you today, why do we need a sloping roof house, and in what kind of houses kings and queens live in. Thank you students.